Unit 1, Growing Up. To download the PDF file of this lesson, go to our Telegram channel. Link is in description. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Adolescence. The time in a person's life when they develop from a child into an adult. Adulthood. The state of being an adult. Bond. Something that forms a connection between people or groups, such as a feeling of friendship or shared ideas and experiences. Brotherhood. Friendship and understanding between people. Character. All the qualities and features that make a person different from others. Childhood. The period of somebody's life when they are a child. Conflict. A situation in which people, groups, or countries disagree strongly or are involved in a serious argument. Connection. People who are your relatives, but not members of your close family. Fatherhood. The state of being a father. Friendship. A relationship between friends. Instinct. A natural quality that makes people and animals tend to behave in a particular way using the knowledge and abilities that they were born with rather than thought or training. Interaction. The act of communicating with somebody, especially while you work, play, or spend time with them. Motherhood. The state of being a mother. Nature. The usual way that a person or an animal behaves that is part of their character. Parent. A person's father or mother. Relation. The way in which two people, groups, or countries behave towards each other or deal with each other. Relationship. A loving and/or sexual friendship between two people. Relative. A person who is in the same family as somebody else. Resemblance. The fact of being or looking similar to somebody or something. Rivalry. A state in which two people, companies, etc., are competing for the same thing. Sibling. A brother or sister. Teenager. A person who is between 13 and 19 years old. Temperament. A person's or an animal's nature as shown in the way they behave or react to situations or people. Upbringing. The way in which a child is cared for and taught how to behave while it is growing up. Close. Near and family relationship. Close-knit. Of a group of people, having strong relationships with each other and taking a close, friendly interest in each other's activities and problems. Maternal. Having feelings that are typical of a caring mother towards a child. Parental. Connected with a parent or parents. Rewarding. Worth doing, that makes you happy because you think it is useful or important. Accommodate. Accommodate somebody to provide somebody with a room or place to sleep, live or sit. Adopt. To take somebody else's child into your family and become its legal parents. Develop. To gradually grow or become bigger, more advanced, stronger, etc., to make something do this. Endure. To experience and deal with something that is painful or unpleasant without giving up. Establish. To start having a relationship, especially a formal one, with another person, group, or country. Inherit. To have qualities, physical features, etc., that are similar to those of your parents, grandparents. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.